Today, I'm going to teach you professional welding using a 6013 welding rod. This joint may look simple, but the technique makes all the difference. Watch carefully how I control the arc and maintain the correct electrode angle. Slow movement is the key to strong penetration and clean finishing. If you rush, the weld will look weak and messy. But when you weld with patience, the metal flows smoothly into the gap. Layer by layer, the joint becomes stronger and more solid. This is how professional welders achieve both strength and beauty. Don't skip the video. Watch till the end, and you'll clearly understand how to make welding stronger, cleaner, and more professional.